The ant plant is a member of the Rubiaceae family and is native to Southeast Asia and Australia. It is named after the symbiotic relationship it has with ants, which inhibit its hollowed-out stems and provide protection in exchange for nectar. Ant plants have elongated, tubular stems that can reach up to several feet in length. The stems are typically green or brown and are covered in small bumps or hairs. The plant produces small white flowers that are followed by edible fruit. The plant has hollow stems or specialized structures called domatia that serve as homes for ants. In return, the ants protect the plant from herbivores and may even provide nutrients through their waste. Ant plants prefer warm, humid conditions and do well in bright and direct light. They can be grown in well-draining soil or mounted on a tree or piece of wood. Good companion plants for ant plants include other epiphytic plants such as orchids and ferns. In addition to being grown as ornamental plants, ant plants are also used in traditional medicine. The hollowed-out stems have been used to treat a variety of ailments, including stomach aches and snake bites. The fruit is also edible and can be used to make jelly or eaten raw. Ant plants are not commonly used for landscaping or gardening purposes, but they are fascinating to observe in their natural habitats. They provide a unique example of the intricate relationships between different organisms in the natural world.